I got a little safety one for you guys here. Starlight wireless helmet brake light. Now, it's a wireless helmet brake light. They can fit on any helmet. And this video will show you how to hook it up to the 2019 Can-Am Ryker. I'm going to show you how to hook the transmitter up and attach the light to your helmet, which I think is very key to helping you stay safe out there while you're riding. The Can-Am Ryker tail lights kind of sit a little bit lower to the ground. When someone's in the car, they may not be able to see those headlights, but they can always see the top of your helmet, especially if you got this brake light helmet on top of it. So, here we go. Let's go through this thing and see what we got. Let's open the pack up. I got my alcohol. Got my screwdriver. Don't think I need my screwdriver today. I got my helmet. Got my rock star, just in case I get thirsty. All right, let's see what we got. Let's open her up. All right, got a light. Here's the unit. Don't really know if this thing needs batteries in it or not, so. Yeah, no, it's not gonna need batteries. You know why? Because one of these wires is for ground, one of them is a hot wire. All right, easy, simple enough. These are 2 clips. Like so, you stick your wire in there, stick the other wire, and you just snap them together, and it feeds it all in. Like that. All right. Perfect. All right. Ooh, look at these instructions. Yeah, I don't need that. Stomp it. All right, straightforward. Need for instructions. Start something simple first. All right, let's get our helmet in here. Get a napkin. Get some alcohol to clean the back surface. Good placement is always good. I think I want to go like that with it. I really do not want it. I don't really care about the name on the helmet, so I think I'm gonna put mine right there. Because I don't really, as you see, this thing flexes. So no matter what kind of helmet you got, she's gonna flex all the way around. 3M adhesive on the back, so we wanna make sure we get a good clean surface, no dirt on there. It looks like one I got one try. So you guys can see it there. So I really need some prop this helmet up yet. Oh, okay. Right. Look at this. It's the on button. Turn it on, it blinks one time, let you know it's on. This button right here, whether it's work with connected or not, you can hit it and it just has a flash in red. So, give me, I think I'm gonna install it on. Okay. Then hit the off button again. Oh. So it blinks 2 times, let me know it's off. It blinks 2 times, let you know it's on also. So proper position. All right, let's get it on. I'm gonna hold it for 30 seconds. Put nice firm pressure on it. No worries, I won't make you guys hold it 30 seconds. I'll fast forward this video. Hold on. I held it down for 30 seconds. It looks good. I'll pick this can. Looks good to me. Let's open it up so you guys see what type of batteries it got. The big screws. This unit actually cost me $65 for this little unit. So we got the CR2032s and this 2 right here, and there's 2 more on the other side. Alright, so let's go get this transponder thing here on the right. Okay, see right here? 2 little plastic pulls. Don't pull it too hard, you don't want to break. But that was just pushed in firmly. Right. You can, now, before you pull it up though, you need to come up here. You take the reverse light out.
Alright, let's take it apart.
Reverse light out. It's gonna be, see those 2 screws right there for the reverse light? It's gonna be 1 more big screw up underneath the reverse light. Once you take those 3 out, you can real gently pull this up. And it come off like that. You got a screw right there, a screw right there, 1 for each side. Behind it, 2 screws. Okay. On this side got the drive shaft. They put 1 right there. They put 1 underneath there. Alright. Okay. Anybody ever wonder what the back of a Can-Am looks like taken apart? Well, I did it. Trying to hook this gadget up. I got to the back and I realized there's 4 wires. You guys see this stuff? We got a black, we got a gray, we got a red and orange, and we got a white. So the yellow goes around the white one. The white one goes around the black one. Then straight forward from there. Patch it back up. Let's get it. Now these clips didn't work for me the first time. When I stripped them a little bit, put the wire in between without cutting all the wires, it worked. So I'm just gonna go with that. Trying to get it looking back neat. The factory be happy. Meets foot. Foot meet light. Foot hit brake. We'll glow. We're glowing on all surfaces. Go. Alright guys, so as you see here, the bike is on. We got headlights. We got night lights. We got a tail light lighting up. And we got all that good stuff. Alright, so when she hits the brake, you see that? When she hit the brake, the helmet lights up. So the little transmitter in there works perfect. So I'm gonna slowly keep stepping back so that you guys can see kind of how far it is, but we're gonna wait till nighttime, get even darker, and we're gonna show you guys again so you can judge it for yourself. But hey, it definitely works. All right, so I'm a good 20 feet back. All right, you can still see it. You can still see it. I'm a good 20 feet back. Like I say, it's not even all the way dark yet. So, you know, so I'm a good 20 feet back. So let's wait till it get a little darker. I'm gonna try it again. See that? Hit it again. You see that? Just hold it for a second. Now you see how the bottom you hit your brake. Yeah, that's definitely bright, but look at your top. You see that little speck of light at the top, and that little speck light at the top would be what saves you from somebody rear-ending you, but they didn't see you and they was texting and they didn't see that light shine in their face. So, my opinion, I'm definitely gonna ride with him, not taking it. Okay, she's gonna back out and then we're gonna show you how it looks from a little bit further distance at nighttime. Now, does it work the turn signals? No, it does not work the turn signals. It's strictly a brake light. Now, the ones that work the turn signal, all the ones that I found, like I say, they was either overseas or they was in Canada or something of that nature, and I didn't really want to get wrapped up in buying anything overseas or out of Canada or anything. So I was looking for American made. This is American made. And the ones that work the turn signal, they were a little bit fatter. I was looking for something a little bit more low profile. I mean, I don't want to junkie up my helmet and I want to add weight on. So this is what I found, and it is extremely lightweight. It is extremely thin. You really won't even notice it's back there unless you're at nighttime and it's lighting up. Yep, so there you go. There you have it. Drop a comment at the bottom. Let me know if you think it's worth $65.99. Let me know if you think, you know, it can help save lives or if it was worth buying. Like I said, I want everybody to remember now, the Can-Am Ryker, the tail lights are so low to the ground that when someone's right up on you in your car, in their car or their truck, and they're like right behind you, they're not going to be able to see it, but they can see the top of your helmet. They're always going to be able to see the top of your helmet. So this feature is definitely good. Now, like I said, it doesn't work turn signals, but are you worried about not seeing you turn, or are you worried about not seeing you actually brake? I think braking is more important than turning at this point. So that's why I went with this one. So she's about to take off, and I'll show you how it looks when someone's riding behind you, what their vision is of it, right behind.